Hey guys, and welcome back to Valentine's Aura Day 5. Now the Day 5 video was supposed to be uploaded on 6th of February, but I got stuck with some of my work, so you guys are watching it today. By the way, a very happy Teddy Day to all of you guys. Now I've already uploaded my Teddy Day nail art, which is this one, and last year I created this Teddy Day nail art. If you guys haven't watched any of this video, then you can do so by clicking on the I button, or there will be links in the description box. Now for today, I will show you guys how you can create this Promise Day nail art. Now last year I also created a Promise Day nail art, which is this one. If you haven't watched it yet, then you can do so by clicking on the I button, or there will be link in the description box. Now today I will show you guys how you can create this freehand Promise Day nail art, and in this video I am featuring TS Beauty nail polishes. I hope you guys like the design and the tutorial, and if so, then please give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. So let's get started.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you. Make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight.